Hello everyone out there. Nice to see you part of today's adventure in this lifestyle vlog. We have this number 5250 and our goal is to get its prime factors. Let's start the solution. Now put down our 5250, then draw vertical line. Look at these prime numbers set on the left. Dividing 5250 by 2, which equals 2625. So 5250 divided by 2 equals 2625. Dividing 2625 by 2. The result is not integer. Since the result is not integer, so we will try to divide by the next number. Dividing 2625 by 3, which equals 875. So 2625 divided by 3 equals 875. Dividing 875 by 3. The result is not integer. Since the result is not integer, so we will try to divide by the next number. Dividing 875 by 5, which equals 175. So 875 divided by 5 equals 175. Dividing 175 by 5, which equals 35. So 175 divided by 5 equals 35. Dividing 35 by 5, which equals 7. So 35 divided by 5 equals 7. Dividing 7 by 5. The result is not integer. Since the result is not integer, so we will try to divide by the next number. Dividing 7 by 7, which equals 1. So 7 divided by 7 equals 1. And we are done. The prime factors for 5250 are 2 times 3 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 7, which can be written as 2 times 3 times 5 to the power 3 times 7. And these were the whole prime factors for this number. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.